We built so many gaming PC builds in 2023, right? 50k edition, 60k edition, 75k also. List just never ends. But what I'll be showing you in this video is gonna be like next level, guys. It's gonna blow your mind. Most value for money gaming PC of 2023. So recently, you people know, right? Cyberpunk got a massive 2.0 update where they've entirely changed the gameplay mechanics. It's like a brand new game, and also they've added support for a brand new ray tracing mode called as overdrive mode, also known as path tracing, and also added support for DLSS 3.5. So lately I've been getting a lot of comments from you people asking like, Vimal bhai, can you build like a cheap and best gaming PC in 2023 that should be able to play games like Cyberpunk at max graphic settings including ray tracing and DLSS 3.5. So this is what I'll be showing you in this video, guys. So basically we will be building the most value for money and most affordable RTX 40 series gaming PC that is able to handle these sort of games at 1440p and even at 4K resolution as well. I'm not sure how many of you people actually saw Cyberpunk 2.0 gameplay on YouTube, but it is totally next level, guys, and I'm like very excited to show you that in this video. In the overdrive mode, which is like full ray tracing, also known as path tracing, is a much more complex method, guys, and when you enable it, you get lifelike and realistic sort of experience. The whole ambient occlusion, global illumination and everything, the whole graphics feel very natural. And if you ask about DLSS, you people know, right? DLSS stands for deep learning super sampling, and combine that with Nvidia's AI frame generation, this is going to greatly boost your frame rate, at the same time not compromising any sort of image quality. So this also will get to experience in this video. I'll give you full examples and demo on how DLSS 3.5 works along with their ray reconstruction as well. And lastly, we'll also test out Nvidia's reflex, which is their low latency technology that is used to measure, analyze and optimize your overall latency and makes your system much more responsive. So for the same, right, we got a brand new GPU from Inno3D. This is their all new RTX 4070, guys, white edition. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing a white edition GPU from the company, and has a brand new stealthy design. It's got a beautiful look and feel. Love that white and silver paint job. Has dual fans on board, and you might wonder one thing now, where is the 8-pin power socket? Well, it's got a brand new stealth cable design, and they've moved this 8-pin power slot from the top side to back of the GPU, so it's like completely hidden, hence the name stealthy design. So this GPU is going to go very well if you're planning to go for like a white edition gaming PC build, and this is what we'll be using for our gaming PC today, guys. Now talking about the configuration, you can go about this build in like couple of ways. So you can actually make this build under 1 lakh rupees also, but for that you'll need to go for like an older platform, maybe like, you know, DDR4 RAM and a regular SSD. But nice, since I've told you our main focus is on Cyberpunk's brand new update and we wanted to try out ray tracing overdrive mode and DLSS 3.5, right? I'll try to slightly increase the budget and go for like DDR5 newer gen platform basically. So the CPU I've chosen is AMD's Ryzen 5 7600, guys. Value for money CPU, I'd say, and offers like really good performance. Enough for this sort of build, I would say. And pair that with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4070, which comes with 12 gigs of memory. This is like more than enough for an excellent 1440p experience. And yes, you can even do like really good 4K gaming as well. I'll show you that in this video. And one more twist for you people, we are not going to build this PC at my place. We are actually going to a special store location in Hyderabad. This is Vishal Peripherals at Ameerpet, guys. So Mr. Vikas ji has invited me saying ki, Vimal bhai, don't build the PC this time. We actually have like a ready-made pre-built system with the similar configuration that you're looking for at my place. Simply bring that Inno3D's brand new 4070 Stealth GPU. We'll install it at my place, and also I'll give you like a quick store tour also of their Ameerpet branch. And I was also like very excited because this is something we rarely do, right? So I thought, chalo, it's gonna be exciting for me and you people also, and that is where we'll be heading right now. So let's quickly get going. Alright guys, we are here at Ameerpet and finally reached Vishal Peripheral Store. Let's quickly head inside and check out the place. Is actually here to collect our brand new PC that these guys have built for us. It's like a pre-built PC. Only thing it's missing is like a GPU, which I have. I'll be installing the GPU at my place. Unfortunately, Mr. Vikas ji is not available today, but we do have their employees over here.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Uday.
So guys, we have Uday over here. He's an employee at Vishal Peripherals. So Uday, how are you doing? All good?
Thank you. How are you, bro?
I'm very excited to check out your Ameerpet store place because this is the first time I'm actually visiting over here.
Yes.
So why don't you give us like a store tour and talk about the entire place?
This Amirpet store is beside metro station,
Okay.
Aditya Enclave, Annapurna block.
As I've told you guys, Amirpet is like very crowded place, and getting a store area of this size itself is like pretty nice, I would say, because you're also having some experience zone. That is what I'm seeing.
Yes, you can see over here we are having multiple laptops of all brands: HP, Dell, Lenovo, Asus, MSI.
Nice, nice.
Just you mark on any brand name, I'll just show you the all kind of laptops. Laptop of 30,000 in demo too, and I laptop of around 2.5 lakh also we are having in demo also.
That is actually very interesting, guys. So apart from your regular gaming PCs and components, right, if you want to buy like laptops, these guys have like dedicated experience and demo zones, including expensive and premium models as well. You people can come over here, check out those laptops, experience them before buying. Complete look at the laptop zone, and looks like the place is like quite crowded today, lots of customers. Let's quickly head over there.
Sure.
We have a couple of gaming PCs lined up, and as I've told you, just like their CTC market, here also you have this experience zone. You people can come over to this place, sit over here, experience these gaming PCs before actually building your very own PC.
Yes.
Apart from this, do you have like any other inventory also, like a big go down or something?
This is
Oh, secret hidden door. Can we see?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this hidden door. Oh, it's like a narrow lane, and you've got lots of PCs, laptops. Have a look.
Laptops, graphic cards, CPU coolers,
Nice, nice.
SMBS, headset, keyboard, mouse.
Entire lineup is there, guys. All parts are available.
All
Motherboards, graphic
accessories.
cards,
All
yeah.
accessories.
Accessories also. How many employees are there at your store?
We are having around 10 employees over here.
10 employees. Nice, nice, nice. So that is your billing area, I will.
That is our billing area.
So once you buy your PC or build something over here, right, you can directly go to the billing area over there and, you know, walk away with your brand new product or PC. So that was basically our complete overview of the store and their place. Now let's actually check out the PC that I came over here. Na? This is what I'm like very excited about. I've told you, right, this is like a pre-built PC that I've requested Vishal Peripherals to build and keep it ready for me. I will be coming with the Inno3D's 4070 Stealth GPU, and we'll simply need to install the GPU and get started with our performance testing and benchmarks. Guys. Let's quickly head over. Very nice of these employees. They're actually helping out us with the unpacking. Thank you very much. Oh wow. And there you go. So let's quickly power it on and see how this PC looks like. Damn, that is a clean looking build, right? Modern yet minimalistic look. They went with an entire Thermaltake theme. The case, the cooler, even the RAM is from Thermaltake. I'll leave links for all the products in the description box below. Anyways, just have a look at these beautiful shots, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright boys, jumping into the benchmarks. I've told you, right, today our main focus will be on Cyberpunk 2077. With the recent 2.0 update, they've made massive number of changes to the gameplay mechanics and the core game itself. So it's like we're playing an entirely new game today. And the kind of PC configuration we built here, featuring Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4070 12GB paired with a Ryzen 5 7600, and also newer gen platform DDR5 RAM is there, PCI Gen 4 SSD. This is like more than enough to easily handle all of its new ray tracing features at both 1440p and 4K resolution as well. Starting off in this first test, we will be playing the game at 1440p resolution, high graphics, and both ray tracing and DLSS are off. Man, I have to be honest, Cyberpunk is such a sight to look at. I mean, beautiful looking game, guys. And also, are you people looking at the stats? Those are some really good numbers. At 1440p resolution, high graphics, even without the DLSS, we were getting an average of around 75 FPS in the game. That too, we were in the middle of Night City, peak scene I would say. If this PC can handle Cyberpunk with these sort of results, then I bet you can easily play any sort of AAA title game over here. And games like Spider-Man, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Far Cry, these were written almost like triple digit numbers, guys, around 120, 130 FPS aram se. Now let's quickly enable ray tracing and actually check out the performance of 4070. Everything maxed out right now, ray tracing set to psycho settings, and holy moly, are you people looking at those graphics? especially those reflections and lighting. Next level stuff, guys. This is what real gaming feels like. Ray tracing offers you realistic lighting, shadows, and true to life reflections. Adds like a whole new level of depth and perspective to the game. Cyberpunk offers a lot of ray tracing options to choose from. Like you got ray trace reflection, shadows, ray trace lighting, and even that new path tracing mode I was talking about, along with DLSS 3.5 support. When you enable ray tracing, you get accurate, dynamic, and realistic sort of reflections, noticeable mostly on mirror like surfaces or maybe like glass windows on cars, water puddles, and stuff like that. I mean, look at those beautiful reflections on the floor. That is mind blowing, right? But wait until I actually enable full ray tracing mode, aka path tracing mode in the game. Path tracing is so intense and complex, offering accurate and true to life light simulation throughout the game, making Cyberpunk 2077 one of the most technologically advanced games to exist in 2023. But as I've told you, Nvidia's path tracing is no joke. It can be quite taxing on the GPU. So you'll need to run it with DLSS 3.5 and AI frame generation enabled. With the introduction of DLSS 3.5, you're also getting something known as ray reconstruction. It's a new AI model which further enhances ray traced image quality. Lighting effects are much more accurate now, offers higher quality global illumination, and reflections also have like next level detail like never before. Just have a look at these examples in a side-by-side comparison and you'll get like a much better understanding of what I'm actually talking about. Whoa, mad level of difference, right? With ray tracing on and ray tracing off. I hope you people got a clear picture with the comparison, but as I've told you, ray tracing definitely puts quite a bit of load on the GPU. And this is where Nvidia's DLSS and AI frame generation come into play. DLSS stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling, and combined with frame generation, it greatly boosts your frame rates in the game. You'll see almost up to like 4 times of performance boost depending on the current resolution. To give you a quick demo, here's a clip running the game with ray tracing on but DLSS off. And on an average, we were getting around 40 FPS, right? Now see what happens when I actually enable DLSS along with AI frame generation in the video. Holy smokes, you people looking at the results? My brain ain't braining, guys. I mean, what? 110 to 150 FPS on an average, playing at the same 1440p resolution with ray tracing set to psycho settings. Where was 3840 FPS and where is 110 FPS on an average? Huge jump in the performance. Buttery smooth gaming experience without actually sacrificing any sort of image quality. Now this is the kind of experience I was talking about. So that was about ray tracing and DLSS, and not to miss out, you're also getting Nvidia's reflex support as well. Reflex is Nvidia's low latency technology that optimizes your overall system latency and greatly improves the responsiveness. To show you what Nvidia's reflex does, we will be playing Valorant right now. So in this first test, reflex is off, and on an average, as you can see, PC's average latency was around like 9.5 to 10 milliseconds. But see what happens when I actually enable Nvidia's reflex low latency technology. There you go, PC latency immediately came down to almost like 6.5 to 7.2 milliseconds. That is definitely a good improvement, guys, especially for like esport pro gamers out there. See, Nvidia's reflex dynamically reduces system latency utilizing both hardware and software. That means it includes both GPU and game optimization working behind the scene. Nvidia's reflex SDK allows the game developers to implement all these core elements that align with the game engine to complete just in time for rendering, thus eliminating the GPU render queue and reducing the CPU back pressure in GPU bound scenarios. So basically that is how reflex low latency technology works. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I actually wanted to talk about in this video. So before wrapping it up, let me quickly show you the price list for today's PC build configuration, and links for all the same will be available in the description box below. So that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found it quite educational. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.